All right, what's going on, guys? So today we're gonna be installing a leveling kit on my F350. We can go ahead and get these 24x14s installed without rubbing. So I ended up getting these. So these are 2.5 inch blocks. The ones I have in here, they sent me another kit by mistake. Those are 2 inches and these are 2.5. So basically what we're gonna have to do is get the truck jacked up, get all the weight off this axle, and we're gonna be installing those blocks that go underneath the spring perch on the bottom of the front coil springs. So that's gonna bring the front up about 2 to 2.5 inches, depending which ones I decide to put in. It's exactly 2 inches lower in the front and the rear, but I figured if I put the 2.5 in, that'll give me an extra 1/2 inch of clearance. Right now we'll get started. I'll get the truck jacked up. Gonna wanna put the jack stands underneath the frame to have the axle just free floating, so we can disconnect the sway bar end links and get the axle dropped. All right, so I just finished putting the truck up on jack stands, and this was an absolute pain in the ass. I didn't really get to film it. So I chalked the rear wheels, but even with lowering the axle down with the jack stands under the frame, it was still trying to tilt the jack stands back. But I managed to get it. This spring already fell out. This side is almost out. I didn't even touch this side yet. So really all you have to do is just disconnect the lower shock mount and disconnect the sway bar end link, and then that will allow this all to free float. And then you can just pull the spring out. Remove this spring perch right here. There's an 18mm bolt right in the middle. Just remove that bolt. We're gonna put the block underneath it, and then this perch right on top. Then we're basically just gonna throw the spring back in, reconnect the sway bar end link and the shock, and then we're pretty much done after that. So I just finished up the install. That's how the truck looks. Honestly, videos don't do this thing justice at all, or even photos. If you guys want to see more videos like this in the F350, drop it down in the comment section below. Leave me a like, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.